Hello everyone, today I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys how we can all get free Amazon gift cards. So basically, we all know what Amazon gift cards are, but I found the way that we can get free Amazon gift card codes worth $100, which basically means you can get anything from Amazon worth $100 using these free gift card codes. And it's actually super easy to do. It's a verified way and I found it really easy, so I thought I'd make this video and share it with you guys how I did it. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is just grab our mobile phones because it makes it super simple to get the Amazon gift card this way. So I'm just gonna set up the screen recorder just to make it super simple for all of you guys follow along at home. So in our web browser we have to search for the website. It calls enjoycoupons.com. Once we're on that website, in the search bar we have to type Amazon gift card codes and we have to press see more button. So on that page you have to scroll a little bit down and look for the Amazon gift card code for $100, and then we have to press the show coupon button and then unlock code. So here we have to wait a bit because the code's actually unlocking. So perfect. You see, here is written that we have to complete 2 offers, but I personally recommend to complete 3 of them to be 100% sure that we can get our personal gift cards. So I have to complete these 3. For instance, I have to download and install this app and then verify my account to unlock this content. And this one, I have to enter your email address and continue with the free trial subscription. So you guys have to be very attentive and to be really sure that you completed everything correctly. So I'm gonna go and complete my offers and I'll come back to you right after I complete them. So now I'm back and I have completed my 3 offers. So now I have to type done and press submit to receive my personal Amazon gift card. So you see here I received one. So I hope this information was useful for you and now you can easily get your free Amazon gift cards and enjoy it. So see you in the next videos and thank you for watching.